You sound like a sarcastic choir. I tell you what, try this.
Level 2.
When you see the knife, just go. I'll do it again. You don't look like you believe me. I'm looking for one of these. A breath on 3, from everyone on 3. A breath. 1, 2, 3. Bit squeaky over here. Everyone else perfect. Let's go breathy rather than squeaky. 1, 2, 3. Stunning. So good. So good. Okay. When you see the knife, make that sound. Else, please. Both hands in the air, please. The man with the knife is asking nicely. Hands up. I go like this. When I go like this, give me one huge. One clap, loud, together. Sorry, I'm distracted by Pink Floyd reforming it. It's really throwing me. Louder. Faster. Amazing. Here we go. Come on. Some of you stopped clapping. Most of you went like this. It's your show. Cheer for your favourite option. Option 1, kilt on. Option 2, kilt off. On. Off. I'm not sure what you think I'm saying. Some of you look like you're about to be offended. Most of you look like you're about to be offended, which is weird, because you're definitely still here. This isn't happening particularly quickly. You stuck around and got offended. I said today's show was worth a £20 note. Some of you felt that £20 was too much. £20, it just got worth it. Ladies and gentlemen, no. I will not finish like this. I am a professional. Lot more cameras all of a sudden. Hello YouTube, hello TikTok, hello people of the world. I'm 44, look at me. This is what happens when you get to 40. Yeah, you mate, get used to it. No one else will tell you. The media is lying to you. Every single person you see on your television is basically a model. Magazines are designed to make you feel ugly, so you buy more stuff. This is what 44 is supposed to look like! Put that on YouTube. But if you are going to put it on TikTok, can you scan the code and credit me? I got 3.9 million views this week, and I had to hunt the guy down so he put my name on it. Up! Don't make me come over there. I'm a hugger. One huge clap, and if you clap with your hands in the air, it sounds louder to everybody else. And if you take the gloves off, it sounds like clapping. Hands up, gloves off, sir. Gloves off, sir. Are you cold? Are you? Louder, faster. Come on. Yeah, 1, 2. move. Get off, get off. Please, please, don't leave like Welsh Leon. Tony did a runner. If you don't have it, I get it. Come forward, say thank you, scan the code, follow me on the socials. If you can, get off, Leon, get off. Fabrice, get off. If you can, pay what you can. Don't pay what you think the show is worth. Pay the maximum you can afford. I accept credit cards, you can choose the amount. One more time, go crazy for Fabrice! You may now rush forward. The exit is this way. Thank you very, 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 very much. Thank you. Thank you very much.